Hello students, our next topic is define retained earnings account. What do you mean by retained earning account? So retained earning accounts means our profit and loss which we are carried forward to next year. For profit and loss statement account, the balance is carried forward to a retained earning account during end year closing to calculate company's result, and as a result the profit and loss statement account is set to zero. Retained earnings are reported in the shareholders equity section of an organization's balance sheet, and shareholders equity is a liability, so retained earnings account is created at liability side of a balance sheet. A key plus is assigned to the account to which the balance is carried forward. If you have multiple retained earning account for each P&L, then you must make an entry for a P&L account statement account type while creating a P&L account in transaction code FS00. So for retained earning account, our transaction code is OB53, or we will go by path SPRO as SAP Reference Implementation Guide, Financial Account, General Ledger Account, Master Data, GL Accounts, Preparations and Define Retained Earning Account. So we will go by path. प्रैक्टिकली चेक करते हैं. SPRO, SAP Reference Implementation Guide, Financial Accounting, General Ledger Accounting, Master Data, GL Accounts, Preparations, Define Retained Earning Account. Enter your chart of account. Now enter P&L account statement. So हम लोग यहाँ पर असाइन कर सकते हैं या तो प्लस साइन से, और हमारा लेजर नंबर दे देते हैं जो हम बाद में क्रिएट कर लेंगे, एंड सेकेंड वन हम देंगे बाय एक्स 29998. प्रेस एंटर. क्या कह रहा है? अकाउंट 2999 नॉट क्रिएटेड इन चार्ट ऑफ अकाउंट. सो प्रेस अगेन एंटर, प्रेस एंटर, देन कंट्रोल एफ. Click on create request, enter your description. Define retained earning